Testing sewage for COVID-19. Scientists here in Hampton Roads say it's been an essential tool in seeing what's to come. Now that there's talk of the Omicron variant, Alex Littlehales tells us exactly how the research will look.
It may not sound like the most glamorous of jobs.
And just be like, oh yeah, I'm a poop scientist, poop microbiologist.
But Kyle Curtis's work is important. As an environmental scientist with the Hampton Roads Sanitation District, the work in this lab is about more than just sewage, about getting out of the COVID-19 pandemic.
You know, whether you're symptomatic or not, you'll shed the virus.
And when it comes to the emerging Omicron variant, this work could play a part in forecasting the arrival of the strain of virus.
You can get a little bit of an early indication from the wastewater data about what you're going to see here in the next week or so.
Since last year, Curtis and his co-workers have been testing our wastewater for traces of COVID-19. Not only if it's detected, but breaking down which variant they find. It's not only a sign of how much virus is in our community in the present, but also offers a look ahead.
Clinical testing is only as good as the number of people that actually get tested.
Curtis says the Sanitation District hasn't tested for this variant in our sewage yet, but it does have models ready and developed and can test for the variant in coming weeks.
We're probably a week or maybe two out from being able to run here. You do some of the development on the computer, basically, and then you have to order out for some of the components. We're just in that phase of it's been ordered.
An approach that's complementary to standard sequencing through the Department of Health.
If you want to be able to say this is when we first saw it, is to get that test up and running and get some non-detects and then see it. Because if you're very first one, you see it at one or two of the plants, I don't know, who knows how long it's been here.
In Virginia Beach, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
The Virginia Department of Health applied for CDC funding to support the testing for COVID in wastewater.